The SJRC SJRC F22, especially at this price, makes a lot of sense for anyone who wants serious drone performance without paying flagship level money. Make sure to click the link in description below to get this drone at the best price. This drone is built for adults who want clean aerial footage, reliable flight control, and a more professional flying experience right out of the box. The standout feature is the built-in 5.5-inch RC screen, which means no phone connection hassles, no app crashes, and a much faster setup every time you fly. You power it on, and you're ready to capture. The 4K camera paired with a 2-axis gimbal and EIS does a solid job of keeping footage stable, even when flying at higher speeds or dealing with light wind, and night sensing helps when lighting isn't perfect. Range is another big win here. With up to 6 kilometers of control and image transmission using the repeater system, you can confidently explore wide landscapes, coastlines, or mountain areas while still seeing a clear live feed. GPS and optical flow positioning make hovering stable and predictable, while intelligent features like follow mode, route planning, surround shots, and automatic return to home add both safety and creative freedom. Obstacle avoidance also helps reduce accidents, especially in complex environments or low visibility flights. Flight time is where this drone really shines. With 3 batteries delivering up to 120 minutes total, you can focus on shooting instead of constantly landing to recharge. Brushless motors provide strong wind resistance and smooth power delivery, which is great for outdoor flying. On the downside, the camera sensor is not cinematic grade, and obstacle avoidance works best at moderate speeds, not aggressive racing. Still, for the price, the balance of features is impressive. Check the link in the description below to see the current deal and decide if the SJRC F22 S2 Plus XR is the right upgrade for your flying goal.